Hey there, I'm Megan with WTI, and I wanted to share with you my most recent book read. It's this one here, The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave. This was a great novel recommended to me by my sister-in-law, and I'm so glad I listened to her and read it. It's primarily a mystery slash suspense book. However, what I really liked about the book was the character development between Hannah, the stepmom, and her stepdaughter, Bailey. They start off with a really rocky relationship, and it's so interesting to see how that relationship changes as they both embark on this journey to try and find Bailey's father, Hannah's husband, because he went missing. So if you're looking for a light summer read, or if you're like me and you like to read before bed to reduce your screen time, I would really recommend this one by Laura Dave, The Last Thing He Told Me. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I enjoyed it, and that's my point of view.